And Surah Al-Isra 17, 94, 95. What is going in your people's mind is there in here. وَمَا مَنَعَ النَّاسَ أَن يُؤْمِنُوا إِذْ جَاءَهُمُ الْهُدَى إِلَّا أَن قَالُوا أَبَعَثَ اللَّهُ بَشَرًا رَسُولًا. And what stopped the mankind to believe when the guidance came to them, except they said, has Allah appointed a human messenger? People did not believe. It says, what stopped the mankind to believe when the guidance came to them, except they said, Allah has appointed a human, a bashar. In Arabic is bashar Rasulullah, bashar Rasulah. Meaning when the messenger is conceived by the person, he's a bashar. He has got the concept, the messenger. So when he speaks, people are thinking, this Allah has appointed this bashar, a messenger. So now what happened is, I'll give you an example. If any human being has got the knowledge of a doctor of science, so we give him the title as doctor, but he's not a doctor. He's got the knowledge of medicine. So that doesn't mean it is his. So the message that has come from Allah will remain from Allah. It will never be mine. If I speak my words, it's not the messenger, it's not the coming from God. So any bashar remains a bashar in all times. But the message that has been given to him is a Rasul, is a messenger. The messenger, I'm talking about the messenger. So they people did not believe because the process is not happening with them. Because people comprehend and understand things which they have experience of. Which any person who has got an experience of anything, people can comprehend. But people have not understood or have no experience of it. It becomes very difficult to understand how Allah spoke to this man. So that is why I said, what stopped mankind to believe when the guidance came to them through that bashar or the human, they said, has Allah appointed a human messenger? So further it says, قُلْ لَوْ كَانَ فِي الْأَرْضِ مَلَائِكَةٌ يَمْشُونَ مُطْمَئِنِّينَ لَنَزَّلْنَا عَلَيْهِمْ مِنَ السَّمَاءِ مَلَكًا رَسُولًا. So if the angels were walking in the earth quietly, calmly, definitely we would have sent down over them from the sky an angel messenger. So that means Allah never sent down angel as a messenger for mankind. قُلْ لَوْ كَانَ فِي الْأَرْضِ مَلَائِكَةٌ يَمْشُونَ مُطْمَئِنِّينَ. Means if the angel were walking in the earth quietly or calmly, definitely we would have sent down over them from the sky an angel messenger. That means angels are not walking on this planet earth calmly and quietly. That is why Allah did not send down from the sky an angel messenger. It was always a bashar. Through him he delivered the message to mankind. All the time. It has to be from Allah is addressing mankind.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Atiq Iqbal. The question is, do we have to believe the bashar, human, and follow whatever he say?
No.
Your reference is Al-Isra 17 and 94.
Actually, when I was saying this, you see, you are not going to follow the bashar. The message that is received, the message that you have conceived, the ayahs, that you have to follow. For example, I give you from the ayahs. First of all, in Baqarah 2 and ayah 4, وَالَّذِينَ يُؤْمِنُوا بِمَا أُنزِلَ إِلَيْكَ وَمَا أُنزِلَ مِنْ قَبْلِكَ وَبِالْآخِرَةِ هُمْ يُوقِنُونَ. And who believe which is revealed towards you. Not to believe you. What is been revealed towards you, we believe. Allah said, those who believe which is revealed towards you. Suppose I am speaking, so what has been revealed, you have to believe that, not what I am saying.
Yes, of course.
You have to believe what is being revealed towards you and what has been revealed before you. So normally your question is that, do you have to accept what humans say, or do you have to say what has been revealed over you? What the message, the essence that has come to you, you have to believe that. Not what I am saying.
Follow the ayat.
Yes. The essence of the ayahs. the sense of the ayat is revealed to you. Whatever I have discussed by the ayats, there must be some essence that has come to you. You have to believe that. You don't have to believe me. You have to believe what is being revealed to you. What has been revealed to you. Because which you did not knew before. Similarly, another ayat is in Surah Al-Araf 7 and Ayah 75. قال الملأ الذين استكبروا من قومه للذين استضعفوا لمن آمن منهم أتعلمون أن صالحا مرسل من ربي قالوا إنا بما أرسل به مؤمنون. The leaders of the arrogant party among his people said, it is with Salih alayhi salam, to those who were weak, those among them who believed, do you know surely that Saleh being sent from his Lord, they said, surely we are the believers on what has been sent with him. We are not believing Saleh, what has been sent with him. قَالُوا إِنَّمَا بِمَا أُرْسِلَ بِهِ مُؤْمِنُونَ. We believe what has been sent with Saleh. So, when you say that I believe Muhammad Shaykh, that will go wrong. What I read certain ayahs with understanding. The sentence that come out that you have to come on Millat Ibrahim. Yes. You have come to know. So you have to look into the Quran where Millat Ibrahim, then you have to believe that. Then the change of Qibla. So the Qibla will be changed because of the Allah. He guides to the straight path. So that doesn't mean I'm changing your Qibla. I cannot change your Qibla. I cannot change anybody's direction of belief. Sure. So whatever you come to know from the direction, I named 18 prophets and one book. So if you see 18 prophets and book, it is revealed to you. You thought there were 4 books. Now you see 18 prophets, one book. So you have to believe what is written down, and I have spoken that and I have shown you that you believe the ayahs, the essence of it. That you have to believe, not what I am saying. If I am referring to the ayahs and I am showing you the ayahs and the understanding that comes to you of the ayahs, that you have to believe. And you have to separate my words and the understanding of the ayahs.
Essence of ayahs.
Okay, thank you.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Muhammad Shaykh's channel. Please click the bell icon so that you may receive timely notifications of our upcoming videos.